In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make money online and from home, and all of the methods we're going to look at today, they're all absolutely free. So I'll show you the websites, I'll show you some different resources that you can use for these methods. And look, if you're looking for genuine ways to make money online and from home, then I can guarantee you by the end of this video, you'll have a few different options for you. Now, you may not like one of them, so that's why I'm going to share with you, a number of different methods in different, niches and categories. So hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have an idea for something that you can use to make money. So if you found this video useful, please give it a like. I'd really appreciate that. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But let's jump into it and I'll walk you through different ways to make money online and from home. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into this. And look, if you're looking for more ways to make money online, you just simply come over to my blog here, go to Make Money, Earn at Home, and there's hundreds of different ways that you can make money. You see, we've got 6 simple ways to make money online. We've got this automated websites, easy ways, best side hustles, 20 real ways to make money from home, etc, etc. And inside all of these articles, no matter which one you go into, if I just quickly show you this, I'll scroll down, click here, you'll see a table of contents, and you can see it gives you all of these ideas on here, and it gives you the resources for any method. And over on my blog there's hundreds of articles about making money online and from home. You can see there's just lots in here for you, but I'm going to share with you some different methods today. So first of all, let's look at method number 1 to make money online and from home. Now for this, we're going to use a free piece of software, and it's this one over here, and it's called canva.com. And look, I'll drop a link to this below for you. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. So the first method we're going to look at is this one over here. So you see this here, it's where it says design anything. We've got print products. Now this is a method known as print on demand. Now I'll show you a couple of different websites you can use with this, because most of them are free. So the first one we've got is called Gearbubble. So I'll come over here and I'll show you how this works. So I'm going to click on here. So over on this website here, you can sign up for free. And how does it work? Well, basically, let me just come down here and I'll show you this down here. Oh no, it's at the top, sorry. If I come up here, I'm going to click on shop, and we'll just click on top sellers. So what happens over on this website here is people have an idea for a design like this here. This is just a design that someone's done. Or this one here, scroll further down, you can see we've got mugs, we've got t-shirts, we've got cups, hoodies, pillowcases, bracelets, necklaces, and lots more. I mean, look at this here. And it's sold, as you can see here, 5,476. So if I click on here, all that's happening here is, you see this on the front here, this, I might look like I'm listening to you, but in my head I'm playing my guitar, or I'm thinking about buying another one. This here is just a design that somebody has put over the top of this t-shirt here, and literally this is the price they're selling it for. And you see all these colours over here? This Gearbubble over here, they take care of everything for you. So you come over here, you decide on what product you want to sell, whether it is a t-shirt, whether it's a mug, a cup, etc. You upload your design on here, you set the price, and then basically when you sell an item over on this website here, this Gearbubble, or there's many more sites, they will go ahead, they will ship this product for you, they'll take care of everything. All you have to do is come up with the design, basically. It's that simple. You come up with the design, and you also come up with the price. And you can see on here, there's a number of options for you. So like this one here, look, on a hoodie. But notice this image here, it never changes. So let me click on another one, sweatshirt. See? And then we'll go with one last one, a long sleeve t-shirt. And that's it done. And you can pick, different colours. But again, this image or this design on the front, it never changes. So you can use different websites for this method. Gearbubble, this is just one example. If you just come over onto Google and type in print on demand, just go with UK for example. See, we've got this one here, we've got Printful. Come down here, we've got Inkthreadable. We've got there's many more of these. So look, start a t-shirt business with dropshipping. So come on here, look, come further on the page, and it just walks you through how all of this works. So basically, you see, your customer places an order through the store, you forward it over to this website here, and then they process the order for you and print the products. They also pack and ship the item to your customer. It's as simple as that. So in this method here, in terms of print on demand, you've got 2 jobs really. Job number 1 is you come up with a design for this. Now you can use free websites like Canva here, and you can come over here where it says print products, Click on here and look, you've got business cards, you've got mugs and lots more. But ultimately, look, we've got t-shirts as well. So you just click on here, and then inside of here, you can come up with, your design. Now, the reason why I like Canva for things like this is, look, it gives you tips for this and it walks through the whole process. And then once you've done this, you just take your design from here and you upload it onto, different websites like Gearbubble and many more. So you just click on launch product, you create an account, and literally you just launch a product. So let me just come back over here. So this is one website. Now the other cool thing about Gearbubble and many more of these is you can actually integrate this with Amazon and Etsy and eBay and many more. However, that's not free when you're first starting out. So, if you like this method and you want to create designs, then you literally use Canva over here, create your design. Once you've got your design, you come over to platforms like Gearbubble and click on sell on the marketplace. Click on launch a product, create an account, log in, and then you just upload the design from here over onto Gearbubble, and then that's it. You give it a description, a price, and then you're good to go with this. Your job once you've uploaded your once you've uploaded your design onto Gearbubble, it will be marketing it. So you'll share that link with friends, family. You could maybe have a blog or a website or run paid ads. I mean, there's lots more that you can do with this. And over in Gearbubble as well, you can go ahead and have a look at the frequently asked questions page. That they share with you lots of different methods on here about how to get more orders, questions, answers, and other bits. But overall, it's a pretty simple method to make money, and it's free because Gearbubble is free to get signed up with. You can go ahead and create designs using Canva. Again, it's absolutely free. And very quickly, just let me show you some things inside of Canva. So let me just click on that. So this goes over here. Now this here, it is basically any part of this, you can edit it. So I can click on that. If I want to make it bigger, I can make it bigger. If I don't like the color, I can change the color to whatever I want to. If you want to add background images on here, you can do this, and it's free. Once you're happy with all of this, you click on here, click on download, and then you just get your design, you download it, you come over to Gearbubble and you upload it. So in this example here, you can come over here and look, just get some ideas. So look at this. People are doing this on cups, t-shirts, look. So go through and have a look at some of these different ideas because it won't take a lot on here. I mean, look at this one here. Someone's just doing this one here. Your picture goes here. It's sold 722 for $14.99. So this is an idea for you. It's called print on demand. The next method we're going to have a look at, still using this piece of software over here, this canva.com, we're going to look at printables. So very similar to this print on demand, except for it's a lot less hassle for you. So we'll come over here onto Etsy. Let's just quickly go into here, .co.uk. Let's just go into here, and I'll show you another method that you can use on here. So I'm just going to type in, printables. So look at this here. This is a happy planner template. So you see here, look, another one. Look, templates. So these are all templates, what people are uploading onto Etsy. Now, while this method works really well, and it's a better method in my opinion than sort of print on demand is, once you uploaded something onto here, it becomes what's the word I'm looking for? A passive income. It becomes a passive income. So let me share with you an actual example. So if I wanted to go ahead and purchase this here, you can see it's a printable PDF. So this person here, they've created this printable weekly meal planner here. If I was to go ahead and purchase this, I would get instant access to this and I'd download this for the price of £2.50. This person here, because they've done the work once and they've uploaded this onto Etsy, guess what? It brings them in a passive income because it's a digital download. So they've done the work once, they upload it, they give an image, they put a bit of a description about this, they give it a price, and then if I purchase this, I'll get it instantly, and this person over on Etsy, they will get paid as well. So if I scroll down here, look at all of the different printables on here. Look, kitchen quotes, humour, funny wedding invitations. What the heck is that? COVID new plans. Lots more on here. So again, you can go onto platforms like Etsy, scroll through, see what other people are doing, and then for this method, we just come over to Canva and you pick on, any of these here. So let's go ahead and have a look at, let me click on here. So let's just go along. Oh, no, sorry, we want to be in Office. Look, resume, A4 document, a planner, look, here is a planner template. So you can use this as a template and then edit it. So let me just find one that's free. So you see here, this one's free. Is this one free? So I'm going to click on there, look at my weekly planner. And literally you can make some simple edits to this. So let me just go up here, change the color, etc. You can change, if you don't like this bit of text here, you can get rid of this. You can do this. But it's the same process. You go ahead, you create these on here, you download it on here. Once you're happy with this, you download it. You then come over to Etsy, you create an account for free, you upload your printable, whatever that may be, you give it a title, you give it a price, and then basically this is up on Etsy running for you. And it's a pretty cool method because you get your money, the person gets their printable pretty much instantly. As soon as they've paid the money, they get instant access to their downloadable. And with this method, it is just going to be time and effort again. So coming over to the free software here, creating these printables, and then uploading them over onto Etsy. And in terms of printables, you can do this in there's so many different categories and niches you can do. Like, let's just go with birthday printables. So you can come on here and get some ideas. You can do birthdays, weddings, anything you can think of, like baby showers and lots more. So go through Etsy, have a look at what other people are doing, get some inspiration for this, come over to Canva, create your design over here, and then play around with this. Once you're happy with it, you download it, you upload it onto Etsy, and you can start earning a passive income. Pretty cool stuff. Now, in terms of printables and other bits, I'll drop a link to my article below for you. Which one is it? I think it's this one over here, because there's some resources inside of this article. I think it might be this one over here. I'll find it for you anyway. I'll find the one and I'll drop a link to it below for you. Go ahead and check it out. I'm sure it's this one. Was it this one? It wasn't this one. I think it might have been this one actually. But either way, look, I'll find it for you and you can go ahead and have a look at it. The next method I'm going to share with you is not using Canva. We'll go ahead and have a look at this one here. So I went ahead and did this blog article a couple of weeks ago. You can see how to earn money online flipping domains in 4 simple steps. So this article here, it walks you through the process. So let's scroll down here. So step 1 is we find an expired domain. How do we do this? Well, we'll come over to this free website here, click here, it opens up in a new tab for us. So you can create an account inside of here for free. So let me just log in. Now inside of here, there are domains which are basically expiring every single day. So let me click on deleted domains. Now look at this. In the last 7 days, coming up to 1.5 million domains have expired. So that means if somebody's bought, a domain name, and look, if you don't know what a domain name is, this up here, so over on my blog, this is my domain. So in like a year's time, if I don't pay the fee to get this renewed, then this domain will become available. So if I come back over here to this website over here, this is where you can go ahead and pick up domains. Now, what happens here is, some people either they just forget about them and they don't pay the money, or they don't want their blog or their website up and running anymore, and you can go ahead and pick these up. Now you've got lots of options along here, but ultimately you can see down here it shows you whether a product is available or not, or a domain name. And if I click on backlinks, then this basically shows us these domain names over here which have expired. And this here is got, you can see, this domain has had 16 million other websites pointing into it. So if I go over here, I can see this domain has already been registered, because any domain name with a lot of backlinks pointing to it like this, these tend to get picked up pretty quickly, because you can go ahead and flip these and make money, rather quick, especially if they've got a lot of backlinks pointing to these. So you can see on here, look, go down and it'll show you whether it's available or it's already been registered. So let's just go to the next page. And again, all we do with this process here is we come through and we find a domain. So like this one here, for example, 14 million backlinks, it's saying it's still available. So if I click on here, it will take me over to GoDaddy. And look, you can see I can actually purchase this domain here right now for £10.99. And depending on the country you're in, it'll show you, the price here. So if I come back over to the actual blog article here, this one over here. So we've found an expired domain using this free website. Step 2 is we need to find out how much it's worth. So for this, you can use a couple of different, appraisal tools. You can use the GoDaddy one. So I'll show you how this works. So over on here, you paste in the domain name that you found like this. Click on Go Value. Look at this. It gives this domain an estimated value of $983. And yet we can go ahead and pick this up today. Where was it? This one down here. We can purchase this for just under £11. So you can see, purchased it for £11 and it's valued at roughly 983 US dollars. Pretty cool. So if I come back over here, now we've found that. The next thing is we need to, obviously, we buy the domain. Once we've purchased it, we're then moving on to step 4, which is flipping the domain. So look, I'm not going to keep going through this whole process. I'll drop a link to this blog article here below for you. It walks you through the entire process of flipping domains. So look, that's a couple of methods that we've looked at today to make money online and from home. We've looked at print on demand, we've looked at Etsy and printables, and we've also looked at flipping domains. That's just a few examples for you. If you want more, then literally I'll copy this now so I don't forget. Just come over to my blog here and go through these articles. There's hundreds of different articles on here showing you how to make money online and work from home. And if you want lots of free resources, go ahead and sign up to my members area. There's free courses, PDFs, and lots more. So look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.